Hey, do you like this echoing trail effect behind me? Well, assuming you've got both OBS and VTubestudio installed, you can already do it. Also, this effect is most pronounced if you move around a lot or on models with a lot of idle movements. Now, skipping right to the part you care about, make sure your VTubestudio is set up to have a transparent background, whether through Spout 2 or transparent output, otherwise this won't work. Next, in OBS, make additional sources of VTubestudio without copy-pasting them, but keeping them identical or close to it. Make however many you want. Now, just pop on 2 filters to each one. Firstly, render delay with a different count for each source. I like to space my counts by about 30 or 40 each, going up by each source, but just play around with it. Lastly, the color correction filter on each source, and with this, set the color multiplier to whatever you want, maybe blue, and boost the brightness. Now get creative and play with different colors on each source till you get something you like. And lastly, please do not forget to be careful to not overdo the effect and whip around a bunch, otherwise you might need to add an epilepsy warning. And so with that, have fun!